Inflammation can quietly drain your energy, increase cravings, make recovery slower, and leave your metabolism feeling less responsive. But the answer is not a miracle cleanse or an extreme diet. It is the small food choices you repeat every day. Choices that help calm unnecessary inflammation while giving your body the protein, fiber, healthy fats, and nutrients it needs to work efficiently. Today, you will discover 11 powerful foods that support a healthier inflammatory response and help your metabolism do its job more effectively. Some protect your cells, some feed your gut bacteria, and others help preserve muscle or steady blood sugar. Stay until the end because the final food is simple, affordable, and one of the easiest ways to make your meals more satisfying. Protective fats, powerful support. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fat and natural plant compounds that fit perfectly into an anti-inflammatory eating pattern. Instead of fearing all fats, use this one to improve the quality of your meals. A modest drizzle over vegetables, beans, or salads can add flavor while helping the body absorb fat-soluble nutrients. Olive oil may support metabolism indirectly by making healthy meals more enjoyable and satisfying. When food tastes better and keeps you full, you are less likely to depend on heavily processed snacks that combine refined starch, sugar, and poor quality fats. Those foods can encourage overeating, while olive oil works best as part of balanced meals built around whole foods. Choose extra virgin olive oil in a dark bottle and use it for salad dressings, roasted vegetables, or gentle cooking. You do not need to pour it freely because it is still calorie dense. The goal is not to add unlimited fat, but to replace less nutritious fats with a measured amount of a better one that supports long-term heart, metabolic, and cellular health. Antioxidant-rich. Naturally sweet. Blueberries deliver fiber, vitamin C, and colorful plant pigments called anthocyanins. These compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress, which is closely connected to inflammatory processes in the body. Their sweetness also makes them a practical replacement for desserts and snacks loaded with added sugar. The fiber in blueberries slows digestion and helps make a meal or snack more satisfying. This matters because repeated blood sugar spikes and crashes can increase hunger and make healthy eating harder to maintain. Blueberries will not magically speed up metabolism, but they can support better appetite control and provide useful nutrients without a heavy calorie load. Add blueberries to plain Greek yogurt, oatmeal, chia pudding, or a protein smoothie. Frozen berries are just as convenient and are often more affordable than fresh ones. Pair them with protein or healthy fat instead of eating a large bowl alone, and you create a more balanced combination that supports steadier energy, better fullness, and fewer cravings later. Omega-3 power for recovery. Salmon provides high-quality protein, along with omega-3 fats that support a balanced inflammatory response. Protein is especially important because your body uses it to repair tissues and maintain muscle. Since muscle is metabolically active, protecting it becomes increasingly valuable as you age or work toward healthier body composition. Omega-3 fats do not erase inflammation overnight, but they can improve the overall quality of a diet that is otherwise rich in vegetables, legumes, and minimally processed foods. Salmon also supplies nutrients such as vitamin D, selenium, and B vitamins, which contribute to normal energy metabolism and help the body convert food into usable energy. Enjoy baked, grilled, or air-fried salmon with vegetables and a high-fiber side such as lentils, quinoa, or roasted sweet potato. Avoid turning it into a less healthy meal with heavy, creamy sauces. 2 well-planned fish meals each week can add variety, support protein intake, and make it easier to replace processed meats or fried convenience foods. Fiber, protein, lasting fullness. Lentils are one of the most useful foods for supporting metabolism because they combine plant protein with a generous amount of fiber. That combination slows digestion, steadies energy, and helps you remain satisfied after eating. Lentils also provide minerals and B vitamins involved in normal energy production. Their slow-digesting carbohydrates provide useful, steady fuel. Their fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria, and a healthier gut environment may help support immune regulation and inflammatory balance. Lentils also have a lower impact on blood sugar than many refined carbohydrate foods. Replacing part of your white rice, bread, or pasta with lentils can make the same meal more filling without making it feel restrictive. Use lentils in soups, salads, stews, or warm grain bowls. Red lentils cook quickly and blend smoothly into soups, while green or brown lentils hold their shape well. Begin with a moderate serving if you are not used to high-fiber foods, and increase gradually with enough enough water so your digestion can adapt. Rinse canned lentils and keep them ready for quick meals. Cell protection in every bite. Broccoli is rich in fiber, vitamin C, folate, and sulfur-containing compounds that support the body's natural defense systems. It adds volume to meals for very few calories, helping you feel physically satisfied while leaving room for protein, healthy fats, and other nutrient-dense foods. Its plant compounds also make it valuable for protecting cells over time. Broccoli supports metabolism by improving the structure of the meal rather than acting like a stimulant. Its fiber slows eating and digestion, while its micronutrients support many normal processes involved in energy use. A plate with plenty of vegetables is usually more filling than one built mainly from refined carbohydrates, even when the calories are similar. Steam, roast, or lightly sauté broccoli and season it with olive oil, lemon, garlic, or herbs. Avoid boiling it until it becomes soft and flavorless, because enjoyable food is easier to eat consistently. You can also add chopped broccoli to omelets, soups, pasta dishes, or stir-fries to increase fiber and volume without redesigning the entire meal. Protein and gut support. Plain Greek yogurt offers a strong combination of protein, calcium, and live cultures when you choose a variety containing active bacteria. Protein supports muscle maintenance and has a higher thermic effect than fat or carbohydrate, meaning the body uses more energy to process it. This makes yogurt useful when a protein-poor breakfast might leave you hungry quickly. A healthier gut microbiome may support immune balance, digestion, and appetite regulation, although no single probiotic food can fix the gut by itself. The biggest benefit comes when yogurt is combined with other whole foods. Choosing plain yogurt also helps you avoid the large amounts of added sugar found in many flavored varieties marketed as healthy. Build a balanced bowl with Greek yogurt, berries, walnuts, cinnamon, and a spoonful of seeds. It can work as breakfast, a snack, or a higher protein dessert. Check the label for protein and added sugar, and select the fat level that fits your overall diet. For extra fiber, add berries, chia seeds, or a small amount of oats instead of sugary cereal. Healthy fats, satisfying crunch. Walnuts provide plant-based omega-3 fat, fiber, protein, and polyphenols that support heart and cellular health. Their combination of fat and texture makes meals more satisfying, which can reduce the urge to keep searching for snacks after eating. Walnuts also contain magnesium and other nutrients involved in normal energy use and muscle function. Walnuts are calorie-dense, but that does not make them unhealthy. Portion size is simply important. A small handful can improve the nutrient quality of oatmeal, yogurt, salads, or fruit. They can also replace less nutritious crunchy foods such as chips, sugary granola, or cookies, while their rich flavor transforms a simple meal without requiring sweet sauces. Keep a measured portion ready, instead of eating directly from a large bag. Combine walnuts with fruit for a balanced snack, or sprinkle them over roasted vegetables and salads. Their benefits come from consistency, not excess. A small daily serving can contribute healthy fats and plant compounds while helping your meals feel richer and more complete. Fiber-rich, creamy fuel. Avocado combines monounsaturated fat, fiber, potassium, and several useful micronutrients. This mixture slows digestion and can make a meal feel more satisfying. It is especially helpful when used to replace butter-heavy spreads, creamy sauces, or highly processed toppings rather than simply being added on top of everything else. Steadier digestion can support more stable energy and reduce the sharp hunger that often follows a meal dominated by refined carbohydrates. Avocado does not burn fat directly, but it can help you build meals that are easier to control. When fullness improves, it becomes more realistic to maintain an eating pattern that supports a healthy weight and metabolism. Add a quarter or half of an avocado to eggs, salads, bean bowls, or whole grain toast. Season it with lemon, pepper, chili, or herbs for extra flavor. Because avocado is energy dense, match the portion to your needs. Used thoughtfully, it adds creaminess, nutrients, and fullness while pairing naturally with high fiber foods that make a simple plate feel complete. Warm spice, digestive support. Ginger contains natural compounds that have been studied for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It also adds strong flavor without sugar or heavy sauces, making healthier meals and drinks more enjoyable. It works especially well in savory recipes, where it can reduce the need for excessive salt, sugar, or bottled sauces. Ginger may also help some people with digestion or occasional nausea, but it should not be treated as a cure. Its metabolic effect is modest, so focus on how it improves the overall pattern of your diet. A ginger-flavored meal made with vegetables, lean protein, and whole food carbohydrates is far more meaningful than drinking a sweetened ginger beverage. Grate fresh ginger into stir-fries, soups, lentil dishes, marinades, or hot water with lemon. Ground ginger also works well in oatmeal and smoothies. Start with a small amount because its flavor can be intense. If you take blood-thinning medication or have a medical condition, ask your healthcare professional before using concentrated ginger supplements. Light energy, plant-powered protection. Green tea provides polyphenols, including catechins, along with a moderate amount of caffeine. These compounds may offer a small temporary increase in energy expenditure, but the effect is not dramatic. Its greater value is replacing sugary drinks while contributing fluid, since mild dehydration can sometimes feel like fatigue or hunger. Drinking green tea can support a healthier routine when it gives you a warm, flavorful option between meals. It may also help with alertness without the sugar found in many coffee shop drinks. Adding syrups, honey, or sweetened creamers can quickly remove the advantage. The ritual can also create a useful pause before automatic snacking, helping you notice true hunger. Enjoy 1 or 2 cups earlier in the day, especially if caffeine affects your sleep. Good sleep is far more important for appetite and metabolic health than any small boost from tea. Choose unsweetened green tea, hot or iced, and treat it as a supportive habit, not a fat-burning shortcut. Avoid drinking it late if it makes falling asleep more difficult. Complete protein. Simple satisfaction. Eggs provide high-quality protein, choline, selenium, and several B vitamins in a convenient and affordable package. Beginning a meal with enough protein can improve fullness and help protect muscle, especially when you are losing weight or becoming more active. Eggs are also quick to prepare, making protein more realistic on busy mornings. Complete protein. Simple satisfaction. Eggs provide high-quality protein, choline, selenium, and several B vitamins in a convenient and affordable package. Beginning a meal with enough protein can improve fullness and help protect muscle, especially when you are losing weight or becoming more active. Eggs are also quick to prepare, making protein more realistic on busy mornings. Prepare eggs boiled, poached, scrambled, or as a vegetable-filled omelet. Pair them with spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms, avocado, or whole grain bread. Avoid making every egg meal heavy with processed meat, excess cheese, and butter. A simple egg-based meal can support protein intake, steadier energy, and better appetite control. Add herbs and spices instead of heavy sauces. These 11 foods work best together, not as isolated tricks. Build meals with protein, colorful plants, fiber-rich carbohydrates, and measured healthy fats. That pattern supports the gut, protects muscle, steadies hunger, and gives the body nutrients needed to regulate energy and inflammation. No single food replaces sleep, movement, or an overall balanced diet. Do not try to add all 11 foods tomorrow. Choose 2 or 3 that fit your budget and routine, then use them repeatedly. Replace sugary drinks with green tea, add lentils to one meal, or build breakfast around eggs and vegetables. Small upgrades become powerful when they are repeated. Once those choices feel normal, gradually add another improvement. Now tell me in the comments, which of these foods do you already eat? And which one will you add next? Your answer may help another viewer find a simple place to begin. If this video made healthy eating feel clearer and more realistic, subscribe to Healthy Grams, turn on notifications, and share this video with someone who wants better health without another extreme plan.